guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Aladdin on Drawing Press. Get this hair and color it all black, and then for the outfit we're going to get this top here in the third toggle. Make sure it's matte and color it this purple 5F3389 for both. And then for the pants I'll just be using this one here in this color FFE3C3 in matte for both. For the hat, I'm just going to use this hat here in all red. And then for the adjustments, you're just going to make it super small and you're going to like kind of place it, I guess like around here is good. I mean, it's a fez, you know, it's small. Get this belt, and I'm just going to color it this color 6B4615 in all matte. And I'm just going to make a few adjustments here. Scale it. Actually, I'm going to scale it down, and I'm going to kind of rotate it up here, and I'm just going to move it down a bit and move it forward so you can actually see the belt. And that is it. That is Aladdin for you. He doesn't wear shoes, so I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!